Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo ki kubor na ke jylla.
Myntri Rangbah ka jylla Conrad K Sangma, ryngkat symbud Myntri Rangbah Sniawbhalang Dhar, mynta ka sngi ka khanyo tarik nailar 8,000 pulai, kilawan sakhi lang ya ka Jingialang ba, ka 8th annual general meeting, Jong ko All Jaiñtia Master Role Workers and Labor Union, Central Executive Committee CEC Jowai, Madan Kawang, Ummulong, lapan long ya ka ni ka Jingialang, Kynthup naduh ki nongtrei Master Role hakitanat sarkar bapher ki Nongshet midday meal, ki Misteri, bat baru kinong belasngi ki Madan hapo ka East bat West Jaiñtia Hills District. Kadbana kaliang Myntri Rangbah ka jylla, ulapan pau ka jing dokumen banya don bentaha ka ni ka sngi buram ka seng AJMW&LU ya u. Ulaong hadin jang ka ni ka election, ulawan kanang mynta ka sngi kum ka sarkar, ban ay ka Jingkyrshan yaki nongtrei master role. Ulapan sngowa ka jing poy jang usya ka kerdan Myntri Rangbah, kaday ling pa ka jing piniyat jang ublay ka ba uklam poy perkat ya ka ni, namar hagas nem 8,000 katra, 4 MLA.
Your unwavering support, wisdom, accomplishments, leadership, and dedication have inspired us all. Your presence has not only elevated even, but has also left an indelible mark on our hearts and minds. We sincerely acknowledge your valuable time and commitment to making a significant difference in the life of others.
The decision must be guided by whether it is good for the people or not. We had the opportunity to serve our state in the last many years before 2018 as MLAs, as opposition leader, as MP. We saw the suffering that people were going through. I saw the suffering of the master roads. I remember as Member of Parliament, your advisor and your advisor and the founder of the All Jaiñtia Master Rolls Workers and Labor Union, K. I don't know if you all know this or not, but we used to chat on Facebook and other social media 10 years back. That is how long I know him for. Even that time he used to tell me about the problems of the master road, about the problems of the cooks. We used to discuss. So it's not that I'm here just because you invited me today and just because we have done few things. I have been connected with your problem for the last decade. I know the kind of suffering and problem you've been facing for many years, even when I was not Chief Minister. And hence, when I got the opportunity to be the Chief Minister, rightly as said by Sniawbhalang Dhar, in the second cabinet meeting, I asked the Chief Secretary and the finance and other officials, why can't we give the master rolls their salary on time? If all of us are receiving our salary on the 1st, why give a different treatment to the master rolls? As usual, long list of reasons and problems came out. This is the problem, that is the problem, this advance, that advance. Long issue. I simply told Finance Department, release the money in advance. Gave 3 months advance to all the concerned departments so that whatever problem they have, they will figure out. But the money should not be an issue. In advance, you release 3 months advance so that we are able to release the salaries on time. It took some time because many departments, many master roles, different departments have different systems. But I'm happy that slowly and steadily that we are seeing that we are able to now streamline and ensure that majority of the master roles today are getting their salaries on time. We are ensuring also that regularly the minimum wage is also being reviewed so that your salaries also are adjusted with inflation to take care of the expenditures that you have.